welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is a what I eat in a day intuitive eating. So if you've watched my previous videos about whole foods, you know that this week I'm doing intuitive eating. So we're already on about 20 to 12 and this is what I'm starting with. I've got strawberries, blueberries, full fat Greek yogurt. I have already had a cup of coffee and a cup of tea this morning, but I didn't actually feel like eating anything, and even now I'm not too hungry. I think that week of eating whole foods and my intermittent fasting and all my cravings being down and everything has really got my appetite in check. So this is why I'm starting so late, because I've had a cup of tea and a cup of coffee and I wasn't even hungry. So I'm starting getting a bit peckish now. I have thought, do I go sausage and eggs? But I just thought, no, I just want something light at the moment. So this is the first thing for today, and I will check in with you when I eat something next. Good afternoon, guys. It's lunchtime and I'm having leftover cooked dinner because I don't really fancy anything else. I'm really busy. It's a work day. So I thought, what's in the fridge? I thought, leftover cooked dinner from last night. So that's what I'm having. So, dinner time this evening, I am making salmon and pea risotto. So I will show you how to make that. So anyway, I'm going to eat my very, very quick lunch. And yeah, I'll see you later. So it's now about 4 o'clock and I'm actually getting a bit hungry. Whether it was the week last week of, you know, my body readjusting, but I have got rice cakes, the calorie ones, with a bit of cashew butter, strawberries and a little bit of maple syrup. So good. They're so good. Anyway, I'll see you when I'm making the risotto.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
So there we go, guys. Dinner is done. Salmon and pea risotto. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll talk to you later. Right guys, that's it for another vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new around here, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.